now you know how to divide a polynomial, right? You'll come across some examples, that is you have to find only the remainder. Okay, so what we did here to find the remainder, we did the long division and then we found the remainder. So is there an easy way to just find a remainder? Not by doing the long division. Yes, there is an easy way to find the remainder of a polynomial without doing the long division method. So that is what is known as remainder theorem. So what is remainder theorem? Remainder, this is very important topic of this chapter. Remainder, two theorems are there. The first one is remainder theorem. So what is a remainder theorem? So if we have any polynomial p of x and it is divided by a linear polynomial. It is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is what? Remainder is p of a. So this is a remainder theorem. That is, if a polynomial p of x is divided by a, what is this? A linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is having the highest degree 1. Okay. So if any polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial, the remainder is p of a. We can directly write the remainder as p of a. How will you get this? We will get this by equating the divisor as 0. So how we'll do? We have, what is the divisor here? Divisor is x minus a. And what we did? First we put the divisor equal to 0. So here x minus a equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 0 plus a, and x is equal to a. And now we found x equal to a. If x is equal to a, then p of a will be the remainder. So that is how we find the remainder of p of x divided by x minus a is equal to p of a. How did we find the remainder of p of x divided by x minus a? First, we equated the divisor x minus a to 0. So x minus a equal to 0. So x is equal to a. And therefore, we'll put that value. What we got? The value of x. We got the value of x as a. And then that will be the remainder. P of a will be the remainder. So what is the remainder theorem? If we are dividing a polynomial p of x by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder will be p of a. How will we get this? The divisor here is x minus a. So we equated the divisor to 0. So x minus a is 0, so x equal to a. So x is equal to a. So therefore p of a will be the remainder of p of x divided by x minus a. Here we will do one example using the remainder theorem. Okay. So find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So we have p of x as equal to x raised to 4. This will be our dividend. Minus 2x square plus x plus 1. So what is our divisor? Divisor is x minus 1. So we have to find the, so see here x minus 1 is a linear polynomial. So our p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus 1. So how will we find the remainder of this? Using the remainder theorem. So using remainder theorem, what do we have? We'll put divisor equal to 0, right? So x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1. And now P of 1 will be our remainder. So we'll put 1 in the place of x and c. Okay, so P of x is this one. So we'll put x equal to 1 and c. So P of 1 is what? 1 raised to 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 1 raised to 4 is 1 and 1 cube is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus, how much is this? 2 into 1 square minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the answer is 2. So P of 1 is 2 and 2 is the remainder. So now it became very easy, no? So based on the remainder theorem, it is very easy to find the remainder of a polynomial. So now we'll check out one more problem related to the remainder theorem. Okay, so the question is, check whether the polynomial q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. So here our polynomial is what? Q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. Right? Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we have to check whether the polynomial q of t is a multiple of 2t plus 1. If this is a multiple of 2t plus 1, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 0, right? So here, if 2t plus 1 is multiple, then remainder is equal to 0, right? So we have what? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient, because the remainder here is 0. Okay, so now what is our divisor? Dividend is q of t. Okay, q of t is equal to what is our divisor? So divisor can be 2t plus 1. So 2t plus 1 into quotient. So this is our divisor. So if you see that our divisor is 2t plus 1. Now, so the divisor, we'll put divisor equal to 0. So 2t plus 1 equal to 0. So 2t is what? Minus 1, and t is equal to minus 1 by 2. And now what we'll do? We'll put q of 1 minus 1 by 2 and check if it is 0. So q minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 we will substitute in the form of t here in this expression. So 4 into minus 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So we have 4 into minus 1 by 2 cube plus 4 into 1 by 2 square. I opened the this one, the bracket. So minus 1 by 2 will be what? Minus 1 square by 2 square. So minus 1 square is 1, and then 2 square is this one. So minus and minus will be what? Plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So here it will be minus 4, 2 cube is 8, plus 4 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So you know what is 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. 4 by 4 is 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So the answer is 0. So we got q of minus 1 by 2 as 0. So therefore our remainder, we got it. What is q of minus 1 by 2? That is the remainder, right? So remainder is equal to q of minus 1 by 2 and we got it as 0. So definitely what? 2t plus 1 is a factor of 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. So you understood, no? These kind of questions. Whenever the term multiple or factors and all are come, no? Then when a number will be a multiple of other number, or when a number is a factor of other number, whenever the remainder is 0, this occurs, right? So here using the remainder theorem, you have to check whether the remainder you got is 0. Then what? Then 2t plus 1 will be a factor of q of t, or q of t will be a multiple of 2t plus 1. You know factors are multiple, no? 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So here 4 and 3 are factors of 12. So here what? Divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. Similar to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So divisor and quotient are factors of dividend. That is 2t plus 1 is a factor of q of t. Or you can say what? Here 12 is a multiple of 4 and 3. 4 or 3. 12 is a multiple of 4. 12 is a multiple of 3, we can say. Or else dividend is a multiple of divisor. Q of t is a multiple of 2t plus 1. If what? The remainder is 0. So this is how we'll do these kind of questions. If you have any doubt, please message or please comment, okay?